Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a professional resume using Zety or whatever it's called. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and just search for Zety, and then just click on the first link, Zety CV Maker. And once you are on this home page, just click on create new CV, or alternatively you can also improve your existing CV. So if you already have a resume, you can also improve it. However, just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna click on create new CV, and here it's gonna load a template for you. If you have an existing resume already, you can just upload it, or you can create a new one. I'll just click on create a new one. Just click on create a new resume, and it's gonna apply a template. And here you can upload your photo, put in your information, and yeah guys, that's about it. Just fill in all of your information and you can change your CV however you like. And yeah guys, this is how you create a professional resume using Zety Builder. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.